Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. Today we're going to learn how to generate ABHA card using Aarogya. You can either download the Aarogya app from App Store or Play Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with the Aarogya HMIS. Go ahead and fill the sign-up form and mention your details. Just have your mobile verification done with the OTP sent to the mobile number and you can log in into the Aarogya portal. Once done, go to the ABHA address creation process with the Aadhaar card and move ahead with the Aadhaar verification window. Sign in the declaration and get the OTP on the mobile number registered with your Aadhaar card. Next up, go ahead and mention the mobile number with which you want to link your ABHA card with. Once done with this step, you can go ahead and create your own ABHA address or choose from the list of recommended addresses. You can see your ABHA card and you can download it right from the next window. Thank you for watching.